Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, somewhere I haven't really ventured before. We're going to be learning how to do victory rolls. So as some of you who would know me personally, if you watch, I am obsessed with the 1940s/50s, but something I've never been able to do is victory rolls because I don't know. It's probably because every time I tried them is when I had my insanely long hair. Could you imagine trying to like wrap this much like hair into a victory roll? I don't think so. But now that I've got my super cute little short hair now, not that my long hair wasn't super cute, but you know what I mean. I want to try achieve these victory rolls because, I mean, it's my favorite era and I've always wanted to do this look, but I've always just avoided it because I'm like, victory rolls are too hard. No, I can't do it. And especially with like the hairspray and teasing, and I'm just like, the aftercare, man. I have no idea how they did it actually, like back in the day. Like those women, like, whew. What gave me this idea is I was scrolling through the YouTubes and I saw this video by Amelia X, I think that's how you're supposed to say it, and she posted a video 2014, so it's actually a while ago, but I mean, I'm assuming it's all still relevant, it's all here. But she posted this video called Cheats Victory Roll Hair Tutorial, which sounds like my cup of tea. So shout out to her because all of this is coming from her. She's the reason why we're able to do this today. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hey everyone, me again, welcome back to Amelia X. I hope you are well. Now I have got really long hair and it comes down to my belly button and I just can't do victory rolls. I've tried, I just can't do them, and I think it's because my hair is just too long and it's super...
See, she agreed. If your hair is too long, you just can't do it. Everyone just kept telling me that I was doing it wrong or I wasn't teasing it enough. My hair was just too long, but now we're like up to here, so hopefully that's not too short. I mean, hope it's not the other way of the spectrum. We're gonna find out.
Trust me on this one, it's really easy. So, you want to start off by second.
Awesome. Okay, so I think we'll try and go along with her because I feel like that's the easiest way for success. So, I need a comb. I didn't prep anything. Why do I never do this? Can't. Also, if my hair looks dirty, I mean, it's not, but I had hairspray in it today, so it's stuck there. That's just how it is.
So just start off by sectioning the front part of your hair. You can see there.
You're already going too fast for me. That wasn't even a section. Let's say about that much. Straight down. Also, can you all just see that? Can you all just see that? That is my sideburn. That is my fringe. That's how I cut my hair. Remember that video? Yeah, I still haven't gotten it fixed, so I hope this video can cater to people who cut their own hair because I have nothing to say.
You want to be working up. There's no point working down here because we need our victory rolls to be standing right up here. So you want to be working with everything you do back and up. We're going to start to roll as we would do if we were starting at the ends, but we're going to start halfway through because we're only actually going to be rolling this section of hair, and this bit we're going to be leaving to dangle freely, which is the cheats part.
Oh.
So basically you just roll it towards your hair as you would do if it was a normal victory roll. As you can see what I'm doing there, I'm kind of twisting it in to create that roll and pushing it up so we get a bit of height with it as well, and then leaving that bit flat close to my head, and I'm just going to secure it with the bobby pin through the roll, flattening that bit of hair against my head.
That was so easy, and it actually looks like a victory.
You can leave your fringe or your bangs, you can leave those down and then do a victory roll up with that bit of hair, which also looks quite cute. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it all back with it. Now it's a little bit more fiddly because the hair is of different lengths, but with those...
You know what, same. My hair's of different lengths too, so at least we're on even playing fields with this side.
Something again, taking it right down to the ear. So you've got a solid piece of hair when you pull it all up and back. Roll the hair, but only roll from halfway up. So you turn it in like you would do and pin it right there.
Like like that. That looks too... Wait, hold on. She said turn it the same way that you did before, but before we twisted it. That one, she pretty much just like lay it down. I'm confused. What hand does she use? Let's rewind this back. Which hand does she use to curl it? She fixed her hair. Okay, watch this.
And that's the showstopper right there. Okay, so now we've got our...
Her role is different. I am saying that right now. She changed her role. How am I supposed to learn from you, Amelia, if you're changing your roles? Yeah, I'm gonna try the same like twist technique. Yeah, okay, so if you use the twist technique from the first one instead of just laying it flat, it works. There we go. That is the money shot. Yes, okay.
Rolls in. We're literally just going to pull the rest of the hair up into a low, messy bun at the base of our neck. And I'm no bun expert, so all I do is I take 2 bobbles, I pop 1 bobble in first to kind of catch all of my hair up into it, and then I use the other...
She calls a hair tie a bubble. That's cute. You know what? Thank you, Amelia. I think because my hair is so short, I think I know. I'm just gonna put it into a ponytail. That is super cute. Well, I guess this is our final reveal. I kind of feel because I want to be cute.
He was a famous architect from our Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was a top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him all of it.
Honestly, I love this look. I'm so happy, and it worked. It's not like, oh, do this tip, then this step, and then this little whatever. It was literally just brush it back, do 1 twist, leave the rest down, hide it, which I love. So thank you, Amelia, which I'm assuming is your name, but if you want to find her actual tutorial, I will link it down in the description. So thank you to her for coming up with this way for special people like me who don't know how to do their own hair. And if you like this video, then please let me know by giving it a like and commenting down below. Also, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you get post notifications, which gives you a notification every single time that I post. Anyway guys, I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.